Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to generate and set up SSH in Hostinger. First, you'll need to download an app called PuTTY on your device or computer. In my case, I'm going to do it on Windows. Once it's installed, open the app. We'll be using this to generate your SSH keys. Now, click on the Generate button to create your SSH key. Once it's done, you'll see your SSH appear. Before saving it, make sure to add a passphrase for extra security. After that, click Save Public Key, give it a name, and save it to your desired folder. Then, do the same for the private key. Click Save Private Key, name the file, and save it in a secure location. Now, the public key needs to be uploaded to the server you wish to connect to. In our case, that's Hostinger. The private key, on the other hand, needs to be attached to the PuTTY and will be used to identify your device when connecting. To attach your private key to PuTTY, open the PuTTY configuration window. On the left panel, expand SSH, then go to Auth and click on Credentials. Here, click Browse, find the private key file you saved earlier, and open it. Now let's upload your public key to Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger account, then click on Websites in the left panel. Go to the dashboard of the website you want to work with. Scroll down to the Advanced section and click SSH Access. Make sure SSH Access is enabled, and if it's not, turn it on. Then, scroll down to the SSH Keys section and click Add SSH Key. Enter a name for your key, paste in the public key you generated from PuTTY, and click Add. And that's it. You've successfully generated SSH in Hostinger. With this SSH key, you can securely connect to your server without needing to enter your password every time, keeping your connection both safe and convenient. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.